Hey, this is Kevin over at Lutz Plumbing. It's weird because some people will actually just go buy a water heater and say, okay, hey, I want you to come out and install this thing for me. So we go out there and we give them a price and they're like, oh, well, Home Depot says, or Lowe's or whoever it is, it's always, oh, they'll do it for a couple of $100s. But then once they get there, they nickel and dime them for every individual thing going on there. And then good luck with getting them to come back. As where a lot of times you buy something from the box stores and right on the box it says do not return to where you did this, and you have to go through their warranty people, and then sometimes that can take days to get anybody to do anything. They're buying everything in bulk, so they're selling the heaters cheap. They're having people come out and install things as cheap as possible. When they get there, anything that they run into is going to be an extra. They also take the shortcut way of doing things. They'll use supply lines as far as flexible lines hooking up to the water supply from the house and down to it. A lot of times they'll use the braided stainless steel ones that have the rubber core, and then within a year or two you notice you're getting all these black flakes coming out of it. Again, this is Kevin over at Lutz Plumbing. If you have any questions or just want to chat about an item around the house, feel free to give us a call at 913-888-9500.